In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Trello board. Joining a Trello board is an essential skill for anyone looking to collaborate effectively in a team environment, especially if you're managing projects or tasks collectively with others. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Trello account. If you haven't used Trello before, you can easily create an account, but for today, we're assuming you already have one. Head over to the Trello website, and on the home page, you'll see the login button at the top right corner. Click on that to get started. Trello offers several options for logging in, making it convenient and flexible. Once you've clicked login, you'll be presented with a few different choices. Today, let's keep things simple and use Google to log in. This means you can quickly access your Trello account using your Google account details, which you probably use frequently. Clicking on the Google option will prompt you to select your desired Google account. Simply select yours from the list, or if you're not logged into Google yet, you can enter your email and password as usual. By doing this, Trello not only streamlines the login process, but also keeps things secure and interconnected with your other Google services. Now that you're logged into Trello, the next step involves checking your email. The person who administers the Trello board you're joining should send you an invitation to become a member of that board. So head over to your email inbox where you'll find a new email from Trello. It's pretty efficient because it includes a direct invitation link, which simplifies the process so you don't have to hunt around in Trello trying to find the board. In the email, you'll find all the details regarding the board invitation. What you need to do is click on the link provided within the email. This invitation link will direct you back to Trello, bringing you straight to the board that you want to join. Once you're at the board, you will see an option or a button to accept the invitation. Accepting this invitation is crucial because it's your ticket to joining the board officially. By clicking accept, you'll gain access to all the tasks, cards, and other members within the board. This usually marks the completion of this process. Usually your membership is now activated and you're free to explore the board, participate in projects, add cards, and more. And that's it, you are now successfully part of a Trello board. You've learned how to navigate through the login process, how to handle the invitation via email, and finally how to accept your way into collaborative project management. Trello is a powerful tool, and once you get the hang of it, it can be a game changer for your productivity and teamwork. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.